Ever wondered how to make authentic pad Thai at home? Welcome to our culinary journey into the heart of Thai cuisine. Today we're exploring pad Thai, a mouth-watering dish cherished for its harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors. This delectable meal has won the hearts of food enthusiasts globally with its unique taste and texture, so let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Today, I am going to share with you a recipe that will help you create this delicious dish in the comfort of your own kitchen. Before we start, make sure you have all the ingredients ready. For the pad Thai sauce, we'll need 3 tablespoons each of tamarind paste and fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of palm sugar. If you can't find palm sugar, brown sugar is a great substitute. Moving on to the pad Thai, we'll need 200 grams of flat rice noodles, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. You'll also need 200 grams of a protein of your choice. You can go with shrimp, chicken, or tofu, just make sure it's thinly sliced. We will also need 2 lightly beaten eggs, a cup of bean sprouts, and 4 sliced green onions. For garnish, have on hand a 1/4 cup of chopped peanuts, lime wedges, fresh cilantro, and if you like a kick of heat, red chili flakes or fresh chopped red chilies. Now that we have all the ingredients, it's time to start cooking. First, we are going to prepare the pad Thai sauce. In a small bowl, we're going to combine 3 tablespoons each of tamarind paste, fish sauce, and palm sugar. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Stir everything together until the palm sugar dissolves completely. The key here is to achieve that coveted balance of sweet, sour, and salty flavors, so feel free to adjust the ingredients to your liking. With our sauce ready, we can now move on to the next step. Next, let's prepare the rice noodles. Start by soaking them in warm water. You'll want to give this about 30 minutes or so. The key here is to achieve a balance. We want the noodles to be pliable but still firm to the touch. It's a bit of a Goldilocks situation. Not too soft, not too hard, just right. Once they're at that perfect consistency, drain the water and set them aside. With our noodles ready, we are now prepared to start cooking our pad Thai. Now, we come to the exciting part, cooking the pad Thai. Let's kick things off by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot but not smoking, add the minced garlic. We aim to cook it just until it becomes fragrant, which should take about 30 seconds. Next, it's time to add the protein. Whether you've chosen shrimp, chicken, or tofu, slice it thinly and add it to the wok. Stir-fry it until it's cooked through. If you're using shrimp, you'll know it's done when it turns pink. For chicken, ensure there are no pink parts left, and tofu should be golden brown and crispy. Once the protein is cooked, push it to one side of the wok. On the other side, pour in the lightly beaten eggs. Let them cook for about a minute or until they start to set, then scramble them using a spatula. Now it's time to bring in the soaked rice noodles and the pad Thai sauce we prepared earlier. Toss everything together until the noodles are evenly coated in the sauce and heated through. The aroma should be quite tantalizing by now. Next, add the bean sprouts and sliced green onions to the wok, tossing everything together for another minute. The sprouts and onions add a delightful crunch and freshness to the dish. This is where personal preference comes in. Taste your pad Thai and adjust the seasoning if necessary. If you want more sweetness, add a bit more sugar. For more sourness, add more tamarind. For more saltiness, add more fish sauce. Remember, pad Thai is all about balancing those sweet, sour, and salty flavors. Once you're satisfied with the taste, remove the wok from the heat and transfer the pad Thai to serving plates. Garnish with chopped peanuts, fresh cilantro, and lime wedges. And if you're a fan of heat, don't forget to sprinkle on some red chili flakes or add fresh chopped red chilies. And that's how you make authentic pad Thai at home. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade authentic pad Thai.